Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode we will take a look on this chronograph quartz watch, which is from Dugena. This is a vintage watch. I'm not sure the age of it though. I have been trying to see if I can find something on the internet, but let's see. No, I can't really see anything about that. But nevertheless, we will take a little bit look on this one. You can see the model and everything. Let's see, I need to open this one. So here you can see it's a Varta V371, so 370 should be fine also. This is yeah, I can see it's Miyota, right? No, yeah, Miyota 3S80, I think. 3S60. Let's see if this one works. Basically, I asked, in case you didn't see that, but I just push this down a little bit. Like this, if you want to take a little bit closer look. That's how you do it. By the way, it's stuck there, so let's see if it's yeah, so yeah, place it there and we'll take a little look here. Let's see how we can yeah, so you just put this to the third position. You can see if you want to adjust the time, just do like this. No, wait, like that. And then when it's close to the time, you can just turn it so it stops. Let's see here. Now, for example, it's 2026. 2027. Oops. Go back a little bit also. Shouldn't do that maybe from the back, but I can feel it's 8. So shot. There you go. Let's see, I think. Okay, so let's unplug this again. Some weird reason it goes to that one, so we will wait till it's in 15. And there you go. And the first one should be to change the date. Yeah, as you can see now it's the first. Here you go. Chronograph doesn't work on this one. Maybe it will later, not sure. But that's how you change the battery on this one. Oh, it's a cool one. At least it works. The chronograph doesn't work. Thank you so much for watching. Take care out there. Thank you.